Hey y'all, welcome back to Mess with Mopars. Darren here. Just got back from Mexico. A nice little holiday with my wife and some friends. Came home to a QA1 box and a big Jags box. So I already cut the top on the QA1 box, but I also know what it is. So you guys know what it is. So the QA1 box is falling on the ground. Lower control arms. They're pretty nice, as usual. It's QA1 stuff. So there we go. So there we go. So we'll have to get some ball joints for them. There's the passenger side, and there's the driver's side. That's pretty cool. Where am I going to put these? Probably just back in the box. Anyhow, go there, go there. Okay, so here's the Jags. Oh goodness, there's the one box inside the Jig box. Not very good. Look kind of gently. There we go. Oh. I'll just cut one for you. Let me see that move. Like that. There you go. And some tubular upper control arms. So, there we go. Gives us some more stuff to do. Yeah. So I've got everything taped off. I cleaned up a bunch of stuff. It's all cleaned up. Everything's all taped off. We're gonna sand it up this weekend. And then we're going to throw some yellow paint on it. Got to clean out the frame rails a little more, but that's no big deal. Yeah. Should be good. And then we'll have some big things coming. All right, y'all. Thanks for coming on for the ride. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Oh, don't forget to watch my finger and hit like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. If you go back and watch another video, previous videos, that helps my algorithm, and we'll move on from there. Have a great day.